Hello friends, welcome to another video of Craft with Samidhi. As in part 1, we learned how to make Laddu Gopal with paper. So today we will learn how to make Laddu Gopal dress with paper. If you find this video useful, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to all options to get the notifications of my video instantly. So first, let's see what are the ingredients or items needed for making the dress and ornaments of Laddu Gopal. So we already taught how to make Laddu Gopal with paper in our previous video. The link to that video will be given in the description box below, and also it will be given in the I button. Do check that. So we need a colored paper. You can use any colored paper. We need strings that we used in our Rakhi making video. The link to that video will be given in the description box below and also in the I button. We need a pencil and we need strips. Okay, any type of strips will work. You can even use ribbon instead, but keep in mind that the paper and the ribbon should be a bit same color. Okay, if you use dark violet color of paper and you use yellow color ribbon, that will not work. It is blue colored, okay, portion blue colored, and this color is violet. So this two is a bit matching, so we use this color ribbon, and today I am using crepe paper ribbon. It is easily available at shops. You can even cut strips from the colored paper. We need a golden colored sellotape. You can use any colored as well, but I think the golden colored sellotape is more brighter. And next thing what we need is beads. Okay, we need colorful beads. You can even use one color beads. These beads are easily available in your ornaments. And we need white pearls, okay, that are easily available at our home and also available in our ornaments. Okay, in our ornaments, in our mama's ornaments. And we need an old CD. Okay, any type of old CD will work, but you can even use new CD as well, because after using we will keep it. So you can even use any type of big round item. Next thing what we need is scissors and a sellotape. Instead of sellotape, you can even use Fevicol glue or any type of glue. So today I will do it with sellotape. Now take the colored paper and on it place the CD and trace the CD. Place the CD and with the help of a pencil trace it. Now take a smaller item which is a bit small than the CD. You can use this small circle of CD, but I think it would be too small, so I would avoid it. And today I am using a glue bottle. Okay, glue bottle is easily available at your home, or anything you can use, any cap of a bottle. Okay, so today I am using glue bottle. Now let's trace it in the center. Okay, the glue bottle should be at the center. Now let's cut it out. You have to also cut this one, okay? Means the shape should come like a CD. Okay, so let's cut it out. After cutting, the shape should come like this. Now let's fold it half. After folding, open it. Now after opening, cut only one side, okay? This line is in two sides, okay? We have to cut only one side. Now the shape should come like this. Now let's paste it with cello tape. You can even use glue, as I told. Just like this, you have to tape it. Again, wash it carefully, please. Just fold it. Please apply the tape in the front side, okay? Here the Krishna will sit. So put the tape in front side. After applying, cut the extra tape. Now after cutting the extra tape, let's twist it. Twist it slowly so that the paper don't tears up. Now this side also we have to apply tape and cut the extra tape. Now after applying tape, now at the side we have to apply golden tape. Now while pasting, you may see it is folding a bit. So it's not a matter, don't be upset. It's not a matter at all. I think that if it folds, it actually increases the design. So nothing will happen if it folds, okay? Now take the long strip and cut it into small pieces. Okay, should be small pieces like this. So like this you have to make as many as pieces the ribbon can do. Sorry friends, there's an edit. You have to only cut 2 strips, okay? For the hands of Laddu Gopal, you have to only cut 2 strips of same size, okay? Now at the both sides of it, you have to apply golden colored tape. Now, as it's too wide for the Laddu Gopal, let's pull it up slowly. And after pulling, cut out the extra tape. Now, after cutting everything, take the base of the dress and now stick it as shown. You can even use sellotape here, or even you can use Fevicol glue. So, apply glue first. Spread it and then stick the both Now there's an edit, friends. In the first we told that we will only use sellotape, but in case we are using glue, but with only sellotape will also work as well. Okay, can use only sellotape as well as glue. Okay, but we thought that we should mix and match these two and use it. So today we use both ingredients, and those are sellotape and Fevicol. Now after pasting everything, make a button with sellotape. Okay, just like this. You have to make a button with sellotape, and now stick it. Okay, stick the button. Yes, it's true that it's invisible, but it actually sticks these two very well. With this button in the center, sticks these two very well. Now our dress is ready, but many of you are thinking, what is this? Is this a dress? No, at the end of a video we will show you how to fit this dress to Laddu Gopal. So in that part we will show you how it will be. So now let's make the ornaments. To make ornaments, first cut a string of needed size. Please cut a bit big size of string, because after we have to cut it in. Now make a knot at one side of the string. Now as our beads are a bit big, so we have tied two. Now after tying the knot, we have to insert beads here. Now after inserting the beads, we have tied a knot here. So now the top we have to tie a knot. Now we have to cut over the knot. Now we made the necklace of Laddu Gopal. Now we have to make the crown of Laddu Gopal. To make the crown of Laddu Gopal, first take a white sheet. Now on it apply golden sellotape. In this case, please try to use golden sellotape. Now let's cut it out. Now after cutting, take a white sheet and draw as shown. Now cut it out also. Now take the paper which is wrapped with golden sellotape and cut as shown. Now at the downwards of the steel shape, you have to paste this one. Now what you have to do is, you have to cut two earrings and paste it in these two sides. Now we made two earrings. pull it off, and our next ornament is ready. So our dresses and ornaments are ready. Now please don't stop this video and go to another video and see another video. No, now we will see how to fit these ornaments and dresses to Laddu Gopal. So now let's bring the ornaments, dresses and also the Laddu Gopal. Now we brought all the things, and with these things we need a safety pin. Instead of safety pins, you can use normal office pins as well. Okay, you can use even normal office pins. Now we already have a video, as I told, on how to make Laddu Gopal with paper. You can check that video. It is given in the I button and also in the description box below. And we also have a video on how to make 3 types of Rakhi with paper. So you can check that video. It will be given in the I button and also in the description box. So now let's watch. First, insert Laddu Gopal in the frock. Now do as shown. Now at the back, join these two, and here you have to put a safety pin by joining these two. Okay. Insert safety pin. As we have space here, we have inserted this in the top, and these are the earrings. And now let's insert the necklace. And we are done. Now see how beautiful it is looking. I hope you will also try this at home, and please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon, so all option to get the notifications of the videos instantly. So bye bye.